Good morning. My name is Nitya Sharat Kumar, mother of Deborah Angelina, studying in nursery at ELC. Uh, Debbie's father is a seafarer by profession, so he's not here at the moment. So it's just us two. But he and me both would like to thank Purnima ma'am and the management at ELC for giving us this opportunity to share with you our thoughts and experiences of educating our daughter at ELC. When we decided to enroll in Debbie in ELC, we both were largely unaware of the workings of the Montessori system. But once she started school here, we saw a tremendous growth in her understanding of things and the way she approached daily life. And that is when we understood the value of the Montessori system and their principles of learning by doing and learning through play. Debbie was, I think, 2.7 years old when we enrolled her in summer camp on Purnima ma'am's recommendation. And I think that was the best decision we made because up until then, she was with us at home all the time. And the summer camp and the teachers at the summer camp, they helped her transition from the home environment to the school environment flawlessly. So once she started school in June of that year, the transition was very smooth for her and for us. We didn't feel it. We had a great 1 year, and we were very happy that we got that 1 year before this whole pandemic and all of this lockdown and all that. And as everyone is aware, the pandemic, the lockdown brought with it a whole set of challenges, both for educators and parents. I must congratulate the teachers and the management at ELC for the way they smoothly transitioned from the physical school environment to the online system. I personally believe that a lot can be said about the strength of an institution by the way they handle a crisis. And I think ELC came out on top all the way. So I'm sure it's not an easy task for the teachers to get a bunch of hyperactive toddlers to sit down and listen to them, especially through the medium of a screen. But the teachers at ELC have done it so beautifully that Debbie now looks forward to her daily classes, and she helps us. She helps me get ready. She puts the material together. She helps me set up the laptop, and she's very happy to come to school. And I think that is something that was achieved only thanks to the teachers and their, the enthusiasm they bring with them every day. And Debbie loves doing activities and painting and all the EPL activities that they do at ELC. And one more thing that I think I should mention is we are very happy with the emphasis that ELC places on reading, on books and reading. Debbie has always been a child who has loved reading, and I've encouraged it as much as I could. But the added impetus that comes from her school vis-a-vis the book of the month and their wonderful library, I think is a wonderful bonus. So I think we have the teachers at ELC to thank for their love and support and guidance. And they've also taught us, because this past year, parents have been very active in their child's education, more active than when we send our child to regular school. And the teachers at ELC have taught us also how to help our child at home and how to be a part of the system that they have created. And so I would like to thank the teachers for helping us help our children. Thank you very much, Dakota ma'am, Monica teacher, Jayashi teacher, and Purnima ma'am. You have all our love and all our respect. Thank you.
I like school. It's nice. I like how it works. I like my teachers. The school is so nice. I like going to school, doing activities, sponging, and
Spooning. Tell the
spooning,
activities.
reading, painting, and writing. I like to do that. See, I miss my school, but I want to come back soon.